Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, smash a like button for me. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, I'm going to help you. Make sure and subscribe to the channel. Smash the subscribe button. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin, 1 hour chart. So we talked about this ascending triangle potentially. Bitcoin broke out to the upside and got rejected by this very important overhead resistance level around 10,550. Again, right in here, 10,500, 10,600. The bulls have got to break above this level. We talked about this rising channel, rising wedge, this very key level of 10,500, 10,600 right here, where again was previous resistance, and now broke below the support, and now it becomes resistance again. So it got rejected here on quite a few occasions. It ended these massive run-ups in the past for Bitcoin. And so now it's overhead resistance. So it's going to take some work to break through this. If this lower trend line of this rising wedge doesn't hold, you'll see a move to 9,600 and then 9,000. All eyes on Bitcoin. I really want you guys to pay attention to what Bitcoin does over the next 24, 48 hours. Going forward, you always want to expect some type of price action. The Sunday night Eastern Standard Time, China's waking up later on. The weekly candles close, daily candles close Sunday, and Monday morning, United States wakes up. You know, the 12-hour and the daily candles close at 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. UTC time. So that's when most of your volume comes into this market. So this is a Bitcoin 3-day chart I've talked to you guys about in the past, but I just want to show you this is a possible bearish retest. The bulls must break above this level to avoid this type of situation. See over here where the Bitcoin moved to the downside and then the price action bounced back and essentially retested this level. So if we just add this level, see how this was a resistance level here? Well, here it came up, and this is a bearish retest, and there was significant downside. So in order to avoid this scenario, which happens all the time, we talk about bearish retests, the bulls have to push higher here. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. I posted a TRB chart that he had posted, and mine looked exactly like his. He's like, I'm making a ton of progress in the group. I'm learning more and more every day. And that's what this is about. Life-changing money doesn't happen overnight, but we're headed in the right direction. Chris, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Stop losses are in place. 58 G's. This person sold some DOC, 70% profit. Patience, patience, patience. Because DOC, I mean, it pulled back and then it bounced. And so he obviously sold on the bounce. This person, new to the group, he made $426 on one of the setups I just posted. This person, he 2x'd his IRA account And he 2x'd his trading account. He started with about $55,000 between both. Now he's up to $115,000. Man, life-changing money. So this is Wave's setup that I posted in the trading group. And again, whenever you have these bull flags, this descending consolidation, right? A falling wedge potentially. And then you have a strong support level, right? That's going to be a catalyst for a move to the upside. Okay, and so just important to understand what's happening here with this price action. You got these lows, and then this low is higher than the previous low, and then this low is higher than this low. So essentially, buyers are willing to pay more than they did previously. All the buyers are basically under this trend line. All your buy orders, you went on to the depth chart or onto the order book, and you'd see your buys are stacked at this level. So that's a bullish idea, and that forced this initial breakout. And then this is completely normal to get people took profits here, and then you get a pullback. And then this support level, the retest level, this is where your strongest group of buyers are waiting for this price action. Boom, break to the upside. Waves 18%. Now remember, these cryptos are really good about releasing news when there's key technical ideas happening on these charts. It used to happen all the time. I would get these cryptos email me, and they're like, they'd be sending me charts. Like, what do you think this chart, what do you think the coin's going to do? What do you think the coin's going to do? And they already know what time it is. They're the biggest holders. They're looking at these charts, and they're like, man, if there's anything we can do to manipulate this breakout, then let's do it. So Waves comes out with this news. Next week is a very important preparation week for many Waves projects. DeFi and First Assets is going to be in the works. Waves Uniswap with yield farming, Gravity DevNet, and leveraged token pools. And they're going to do their best to launch the DAO next week and several partnerships. Well, Sasha Ivanov, the Waves CEO, guess what he's thinking right here? Dude, we do not want this to break to the downside. We need to get this news out there. So you had a strong technical pattern, and boom, they release that news as well. 18% move to the upside. Happens time and time again. I talk to you guys about it as many times as I catch it. TCT, buy the breakout of this yellow triangle. And guess what happened? I posted this in group. Boom, broke out. But look at the initial breakout. Broke out, ran up. People take profits. People take profits. So whenever you get to these profit level, I post these multiple take profit levels. And you can look what happens. Every time the price runs there, it retraces. Runs there, retraces. Runs there, retraces. People take profits at overhead resistance. When you're sitting down, you want to trade this market, you're not supposed to think, hey, what should I do? What am I going to do here? What is everybody else going to do, and do it a little bit before they do? Everybody else is going to take profits here, so you take it a little bit before they do, right? Everybody else is going to buy support. You do it a little bit before they do. You front run. Everybody else should be a lot more successful in this market. But again, 30% gains on this retest and breakout for TCT. MetalPay comes out and says that DeFi is going on Proton with wrapped coins, Proton Swap, and lending. Proton, MetalPay, DeFi, boom, it's just starting. Watch what happens over the next 18 months. Token Club, this is a good project. They're trying to compete with Uniswap. Are you getting excited towards TCT's makeover? Binance Smart Chain DEX, TCT, this is one to watch long term. Again, there's a lot of solid ideas here. Any of these, you see everybody starting decentralized exchanges. Remember, Uniswap came out and did more daily trading volume than Coinbase. Think about how much money Coinbase has running through it on a daily basis. Uniswap came out of nowhere and trumped Coinbase. Everybody wants a piece of it. Everybody. Recognize what this market is changing. If you're still holding the top 5 coins and top 10 coins and like, hey, this is it, this is going to be the one, you might want to rethink things, okay? At least diversify into some of the DeFi ideas. Bitcoin sentiments. So I found this chart, basically talks about how the Bitcoin's 30-day return hits the lower threshold. We usually see 30 days of gains of 20 to 40%. So I would say, okay, here you saw 20 to 40% gains, here 20, 40% gains, here, could we see it? Possibly. Here, we saw 20 to 40%, but we got this big dip to the downside first. So then again, the question is, do we have one more dip before the move higher? 30-day returns, 20 to 40% in Bitcoin. Again, where's the bottom at, though? Is it 9,000? That's the question. Binance. Listen, I want to give a shout out to Binance for what they did to BNB's price action, because it's done very well for me. Hopefully you listen to me and talking about BNB and a lot of these ideas. But there's 17.5 million BNB staked on this launch pool. Remember Bella Protocol. I've talked to you guys about this probably quite a few videos. There's 12 million BNB staked on BSC swaps. And Binance Smart Chain has 10% of Ethereum's transaction volume. What's next? So BNB, Binance sees this DeFi hype and they run with it. And that's what we have to do. You know, we have to identify, hey, this market's completely changed from what we're used to. Things are different. And if you guys don't have a Binance account, go to the link in the description, Binance International, make a Binance account. You need to be a part of this. If you are in the United States, you will have to use PureVPN to get things set up with Binance. Crypto trading volumes for August saw the biggest month-over-month increase since early 2018. Look at this. Crypto trading volume explosion. Almost double of, for sure double June, almost double July, May, April. Look at this. Look at this, skyrocketed. Here's a coin I want to talk to you about real quick, just to touch on this. This is DIA, okay? It's a verified and transparent Oracle, okay? Oracle like Chainlink, like Band, Oracle, okay? Oracles have been hot. DIA is a decentralized information asset. It's an open source Oracle platform, but it enables market actors to source, supply, and share trustable data. DeFi and Oracle. Life-changing money. Keep an eye on this one. This is not, hey, buy now. This is on a dip. You're looking for accumulation of some of these DeFi coins. This might be something you look into. Bitcoin dominance. So I had a screen share last night with the group, and we talked about this in detail. And I talked about this in yesterday's video as well with you guys. And I just really want to key in on this. The altcoins could see all BTC pairs could see a significant, 20% drop or more if this just continues higher, okay? Because what happens, this is just causes altcoin valuation to drop, because this is Bitcoin dominance. So this shows that the money is flowing into Bitcoin when this is climbing higher. Now this can happen on a price drop or a price spike of Bitcoin, okay? But these altcoins stop moving as well when this is trending higher. So, and again, we got that bounce. I talked to you guys about this yesterday before the bounce actually happened and how good the trading was until then. And now, a lot of these alt BTC pairs take a hit based on this reversal. Okay, so pay attention to this. Again, this could come up to the 200 simple and get rejected, and away we go down to the downside. This breaks lower, amazing price action for the altcoins. However, you got your double bottom possible right here. You guys see this double bottom? Okay, and so now it would run up to here, have to break out of here to get confirmed, but the target would be in this area, and you see a significant loss in all the altcoins based on this idea. So be smart about the altcoin trading. If this continues higher, this is an if-then statement. If this continues higher, then altcoins will take a hit. Understand this. This is the total altcoin market cap, and I talked to you guys about this being rejected. The price action was rejected by the 200 simple moving average, right? Got rejected by this. Okay, and so now it's come back down here to support, which is the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, and it's holding here. So again, you could get continuation higher, but again, the question is, are you going to get some type of head and shoulders type pattern if it does continue higher, or will it just roll over? Again, the downside here, this is a possible topping pattern. If it doesn't, the bottom line is this. The bulls, the altcoin bulls, need to show up here, and they need to put a high in that's higher than this high for this trend to continue higher. This is the total altcoin market cap. You take the valuations of every single altcoin and you add it together, and this is what you get. Okay, well, right now price action is at $128 billion. What to watch for Sushi Swap? So Sushi Swaps comes out, and we talked about Sushi Swap quite a few times. Again, it's trying to compete with Uniswap, and they've cut their block rewards from 1,000 to 100 sushi. So again, it's kind of like a halving, but they cut it by 90%. Okay, so obviously over time, this would increase the price of sushi. Very important to understand these basic ideas. Oh no, DeFi project Burger Swap. Burger Swap. Dude, that sounds like a fast food restaurant we should eat at for lunch tomorrow. I went to Burger Swap. I drove by In-N-Out Burger, and I ended up at Burger Swap. Like, who comes up with these names? Burger Swap comes out swinging amid criticism. So this is the latest food-themed token that's been launched. Burger Swap is a decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain. So CZ comes out and says, hey, build it. Like, I don't know who built this one, but it's already live on BSC, Binance Smart Chain. And this person said, well, don't you think there's enough scam projects already? This is what holds the space back. CZ says, well, it's decentralized. Nobody can stop them. Nobody can stop them. So, I mean, it wasn't like, hey, they invited, say, build Burger Swap on Binance Smart Chain. It's decentralized. Can't stop them. Price surges push Polkadot and BNB in the top 10 rankings. Binance Coin and Polkadot are now the 5th and 6th largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, edging out, wait for it, Chainlink and Bitcoin Cash. Think about that. Binance, BNB, and Polkadot are now above Chainlink and Bitcoin Cash. The market is changing. This was from yesterday's video. I talked to you guys about Binance BNB coin. You might buy the breakout here and you could see like $28 or $29 BNB. Here's the setup. $28, $29 BNB. No, 30. 30. Give me 30. Give me 30. Give me 32. Give me 32 and a half. Are you kidding me? Listen, this is one of my biggest holdings. All because of this Bella farming idea. You know, it's just like there's so much hype around this new DeFi Bella coin. People can get these coins. You'll see some type of sell-off. People are going to take profits. Came down here, retested, but it's amazing to see what Binance has done to reposition themselves in the market. Look at this. Binance from this low has increased in price 80%. 80% gains in BNB. For a large cap crypto, this is not very common. And again, the most important thing is like, yeah, whatever, BNB. It could be any coin. You want to position yourselves in coins that are trying to reinvent themselves, that are trying to take these DeFi ideas and pump the price of their coin. Bottom line, like, we're in this for the money. We're in this for the money. Understand, like, if you're holding coins right now, if you're holding stale coins that aren't doing anything, that aren't adopting DeFi, that aren't trying to set up some DeFi ideas and DEXs and whatnot, yield farming, listen, they're going to get left behind. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.